In this video, I'll give you guys my personal Babylon price prediction. I'll also give you my personal Babylon trading strategy. It's a massive opportunity and I think the project could easily do a 3x, but that is not my final price prediction. I'm gonna get more into numbers here in a little bit, but there are some key details we need to keep in mind. Looking at the trading volume, we can see a trading volume of $200 million and a market cap of $200 million. The ratio between them is fantastic. There's a lot of interest for the project in comparison to the market cap. The project is pretty new, so we will see how all of this plays out. Just to do some comparisons, I like to pull up Faultcoin because it's kind of hilarious, but it's actually one of the more neutral projects on the market because it's not bought up by big companies like other meme coins. $400 million in 24-hour trading volume and a market cap of 700 million. A utility-based project or a Binance-backed project like this could easily grow with marketing to the same valuation. The fully diluted valuation, it's important to keep in mind, around $800 to $900 million with the current market cap, which means there will be some selling pressure. And I think this is lining up for the absolute most glorious scenario we can have when trading this project. Right now, we are in the middle of an uptrend of the project, but we haven't seen the flip. It's a very important event that happens with the indicator, and it is the time where we can enter or exit a project to maximize the gains. You could be entering the project right now because it's in a confirmed uptrend on the 4-hour time frame, but it would be more like gambling than following a strategy. So that's why we're not doing that right now. It could change, but we'll see how this plays out here in a couple of days, and I'll do my best to keep you guys up to date here on the YouTube channel, so please subscribe and follow if you want to see more update videos here on this. One key thing to keep in mind here is Bitcoin. Bitcoin is kind of in a shaky spot because it's following a very strong downtrend. This downtrend here has been trying to break out free from it for a very long time. If we look at the amount of days here, it's been in this downtrend for over 70 days and it's not been able to break through, even though it's been constantly trying, and it's actually trying right now. So within a couple of days, we will know what Bitcoin is going to do. Within a couple of days, we're going to know what Babylon is going to do as well. But I think the key things to keep in mind is the trading volume. If we see this going down, I could actually see the project entering a downtrend for a little while. And we have seen this with other projects. I'm going to bring up a lovely project here that gave us a lot of money. It's Sui. Heading into the daily time frame and just scrolling all the way back. This project is massively supported and has given many traders millions of dollars, and we have made over 100x on this project by compounding the gains between the strong trends. This is how it works. A project is released, and depending on when they start marketing, it could play out like this. If they wait with marketing, the project is going to crash, and then they market and the project is going to pump. You will have insiders buying right before marketing, and you will have insiders dumping right here, and then stop marketing, begin marketing again. That's how this thing works. Marketing could be the launch of services as well, or developments of the project, but it's always controlled by the project makers. In this case, it's going to be controlled by Binance. When Binance wants to support this project more, we are going to see the trend flip. If we see the trend flip into a downtrend right now, it means marketing has not yet started. So we wouldn't want to be holding the project, buying and holding the project. So if you want to be really early to the project, that's when you can enter the project right now. We are in an uptrend, but it's so damn volatile. It's almost like gambling. If you can take that risk, if you have some gambling money aside, you can enter the project right now and hope for some nice uptrend. You have seen that with other projects. It's just we don't know until we see the flips and how it actually plays out over time. That's when we know what they have in mind. I'm using my own indicator right here. We do have a nice support and resistance level right here on the $0.06 level. And it seems like we have another nice support and resistance level at 0.075. As we can see, the project is very volatile. Within just one candle here, it's going absolutely crazy. This is something I would just recommend to not trade. I know FOMO is here. I know greed is here. They want you to trade, but you could end up just losing your money. What I'm gonna do personally is wait and see how this plays out. It seems like we will have a support and resistance level forming at the precise $1 level. But we will see how it plays out. I'm sitting here ready on an exchange. I'm gonna start trading the project. If you guys are interested where I'm trading on MEXC, and I'm starting a community over on Patreon as well, where I'm posting my trades live and all of that, so you guys can copy trade basically. I'm doing a trading team on MEXC as well that you can join in the link down below. It's basically a win-win scenario. You guys join the team, we work together towards the rewards. They have a celebration, 7-year celebration thing right here, where all the teams work together to share the $10 million prize pool. It's basically free money if you're trading anyway, so we're definitely gonna do that. I'm gonna do more technical analysis here as soon as we get more data. I can't do more technical analysis on data that is not there. We have the levels. If they don't market, it's gonna crumble back down. If they start marketing, it's gonna maybe bounce a little bit and then shoot up from there. That's how it's gonna work. It's sort of already bounced. That's why we need an indicator like this, and that's why we need a strategy here, so you don't just randomly enter the project. Because yes, it could do a 3x from here straight up if they start marketing right away, but it could also do a SUI and you end up losing. Like, look at this here. Let's say you bought the hype here in the beginning. You would have lost 73% of your money on a serious big project with big backing. They just waited to do their marketing a little bit. And we could see that play out as well. So please don't just go in without a strategy and gamble your money away. Please have a strategy and stick to it. You will make the money by compounding the gains over time. I'll be back in a little bit for a follow-up video so we can actually execute some trades here, extract some money, but we need more data. It's an amazing time to be this early and just track the project. I'm putting it in my list here of projects to track, and I'll keep you guys up to date in future videos. Thanks for watching and good luck out there in the market. I'll see you guys next time. Peace.